boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Keith Urban here, had him before this channel. Not sure which song, but I know we had him. And this time we have this street called Maine. That's the title of the song. And it's very, very easy. It's 4 very familiar chords if you play guitar before. This is the chords you need to start with and learn. So a great song for learning. So let's start this one up with the capo set on the first fret here to match up with the sound. So the chords we're gonna play through the entire song in the same order will be C, G, E minor, and D. All right, so let's start with the chords. This is C, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. So like I said, C, G, E minor, D through the entire song. Now we have only one strumming pattern that works, and we will look at that now. Grab that C chord, and one round of the strumming will be down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. Alright, so a couple rounds of the strumming will sound like this. So, with this chord progression, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So C2, G2, E minor 2, and D2 through the entire song. I'm gonna give a couple of rounds so it sounds like this. Again, C, C, G, G, So that is pretty much Keith Urban's Street Called Maine. A great song to start with. Goes pretty slow and slow tempo. Pretty easy strumming pattern and the chords you want to start with. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.